So if the ratio of males to females in a group is 3 to 5. So let's look at that. We have a ratio 3 females to 5 males. All right? And then what they're asking is, what is the total number of students that can be in the group? And they give you a list of number of students. So let's go and take a look at something and see. Well, if I have 3 females ratio to 5 males, that means I have a total of 8 students. Correct? And they're asking which one of these totals could follow that ratio. Well, let's look at a couple other totals that would still contain that ratio. So to do that, I can multiply this ratio by 2. And agree with me, or make sure you guys agree with me, is 6 over 10 equivalent to 3/5? Yeah, just multiplied it by 2, right? So that, but the total there is 16. Then let's double that. Or let's multiply this by 3. So I'd have 9 over 15. And that gives me 24. Then let's multiply this by 4. 12 over 20. That gives me 32. Again, notice that these are all equivalent. I can just reduce these all down to 3/5. So if I said the ratios of females to males, they would all be the same for all of these groups. The only difference is the total number. Now, obviously, I don't want to keep on doing this till I get to 148, 150, 152, 154, 156. But what is one thing that we notice that all of these totals have in common? They are divisible by 2, but unfortunately, all of our answers are also divisible by 2. So what else are they divisible by? 8. So now we just need to determine, well, which one of these numbers is divisible by 8? And the easy way to do that in your head, you could obviously whip out a calculator and just hit each one of these individually and divide them by 8, see which one is divisible. But you guys know that 80 is obviously divisible by 8, right? So therefore, 160 is divisible by 8. And if 160 is divisible by 8, then I can subtract 8 from 160, which would be 152, right? So 152 is divisible by 8 19 times, because I'm just subtracting one more. So therefore, 152 is your answer, which is letter H. All right? So you don't even need to use a calculator. You don't even need to do